Good morning, guys. So today I'm off, and which means, but I'm off. But tomorrow I start in the morning, so I have to sleep early. So basically, I have half day with me. In this half day, I have so much of things to be done. I need to do the laundry. I need to go down to Hounslow. I need to get some shopping done, and what else? I need to clean my room, and I need to go make breakfast because Elton is coming for breakfast. I will see you all in a bit. Breakfast is ready, but Eldon is so sleepy. He just came home from work, and look at him, fast asleep. So, guys, we are in the month of November right now, and it is almost 4 o'clock. The sun, look at the sun, it's so beautiful. The evening is so beautiful. Just look at it, so pretty. It's a sunset right now, and sunset time. It's winter, so it gets dark at around 5:30, 6 o'clock. It starts getting dark, and by December, I think even 4:30 will be quite dark. So thank God for this beautiful day and this lovely sun. Thank you. You remembered. So yesterday I was telling him. Ah. So yesterday I told him how much I love Kaju Katli, and he bought me a box of Kaju Katli. Aww. Thank you, Babuto.
Masala tea, I got masala tea. I'm hungry now. I cannot wait.
Okay, try it and let me know how it is. This is our favorite momo. I take it to work also. Boom, 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 boom. But I'm very happy about this thing right now. You know, whenever we buy Thai and all, right? I take him for Kaju Katli. I'll be like, oh, you know, why don't you try Kaju Katli? Because I know he doesn't like it and I love it. So he bought me a box. And then he says, oh, I don't know how to surprise you, but he does all of this stuff and he does surprise me. Look at him smiling. This is my favorite part, the carrot. Don't take it too close. My cousin, she makes amazing momos. I think the day if you try it out, right? We will leave these momos.
Really? She's in UK, your cousin? Who makes momos?
Photo.
Ah. Tell her not to make.
She didn't make for us.
Toto, we need momos.
She made for us, no? I bought in Geneva, remember?
Toto, we need momos. Ultimate.
So now I'm back home. My day is still not over. I still have to clean my room. It's a mess at the moment. So this is how my stuff looks like at the moment. If my mom was over here, I think I would have got shouting. Forget my mom, my granny also would have been shouting. Everybody would have been shouting. At home, I'm messy. I'm super messy. But over here, I'm not. And my brother always says, over there you can clean nicely. At home you can't clean. No, my dad also says the same thing. You can't clean it. But at home you feel like you take things for granted, right? You just be like, everybody will do it, it's fine. But over here you realize when you're alone that you have to do everything by yourself. And for me, when I wake up to this, I get very grumpy in the morning. I realize that. So for me, I have to have everything clear and clean around me when I'm sleeping. And then when I wake up in the morning, I feel fresh when I wake up. If I wake up to something like this, like a disaster, then I don't know. Then I feel something different. Okay, let's go. So finally, I finished cleaning my room and then I freshened up. So now I feel fresh and clean and good about the room being all clean and not messy at the moment. Now let me start with what I bought from Sam 99. So this is the bag with all the stuff. It says always great value. Sam Pound Store. Okay, they name it Pound Store, but it's 99 usually. Yeah, let's see what I bought. Claw clips. So I bought 6 claw clips, a set of 6 claw clips, and the chances of losing these clips are very high. But if I had bought one, then the chances of losing the clip is very low, because then you be like, you take proper care of it. Now that I know I have 6, I'm going to be very careless. The next thing that I bought is Huggies wet wipes. I cannot do without wet wipes. I get very what do you say with that, restless if there are no wet wipes with me, and I had the last 2 are remaining with me, so it's almost over. I know it's last 2 because I checked before I went today so I could buy. And I basically use wipes which I use for kids because my skin is very sensitive. And before I used to use from Primark, but then I just cannot use them anymore. And any other wet wipes I cannot use except for the ones which I use for kids. So I can use these ones. Then I bought Johnson Baby Cream. Johnson Baby Lotion. Recently my skin has got very sensitive. So even when I use Vaseline, I don't know, for some reason it started giving me a little bit of itchiness. So I said, let me try with Johnson's Baby Lotion and have it a go with it. If this works out, I will also give it a try to Dove, because for me Dove also works out very well. But this one, I know it works out. I bought this my rubber bands broke. Most of mine have been broke. I bought a bunch last time from Primark, and yeah, they kept breaking at times. Like some of them were, you try to tie it tight, your hair, it is to break open. So I bought these ones, and I feel they're going to last me for a very long time if I don't lose them. But I really like the color. It has 3 essential beautiful colors. Yeah, I mean, they have five beautiful colors, but for me I can see a red which strikes out so much. These 3 colors, they look the same, but this is violet, this is navy blue, and this is black, and this one is of course white. So mostly for work I think I'm going to wear this one. But if usually when I tie my hair upright, when I tie my hair in a bun or in a ponytail, my head starts paining, so I cannot tie it continuously the entire day. So this is the other reason why I bought claw clips for me, so that I can even clip my hair and go to work. Oh my goodness, I ran out of nail polish remover the other day, and I have a little bit left right now, but it won't be sufficient if I paint my nails again. So I bought this one. Let's see how this one works. This is the first time I bought this. Let's see how it works, and if it's good, then I'll buy it again. If it's not, then I don't know. Then I'm just gonna chuck it out. Hairbrush. I have a comb here, but I think I'm going to take that to work. I'm going to keep it at my workplace, so that in case sometimes I just run late, so I just leave my hair and I run, and then over there I just tie my hair. So I can keep that one at my work, and I can use this one over here at home. And by the way, these are all individually 1 pound. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, all are 1 pounds. All are 1 pound. See, everything is for 1 pound. So I bought 9 items, including the bag. So the bag was 10p, and the bill came up to 9.10. It's very affordable, very good price. Then another thing I bought is easy on clothes. I had this powder before and it's really nice for my clothes. Usually, washing powders and stuff like that, I'm not kidding, but my skin has become very sensitive, very sensitive at the moment. And this one is working very well for me. The one with aloe vera in it is working beautifully for me. It's not giving me an itchiness, a scratch, and a rash, and anything of that sort. So I bought it again, and this remains for me for almost a month. Yeah, for 1 month, this is good for me. Vanish. I did not have Vanish, and I needed to remove. I on my white top. Yesterday I couldn't wear it to work, and there was a stain. There was a stain mark on it. So I bought Vanish to. Can't tell you. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, day before yesterday. Hot chocolate fell on my white top. And the last thing, a pouch. Avon True. This pouch, I'm going to utilize it. I'm going to take it to work and I'm going to keep it over there itself. Uh, with my little bit of tablets, my my pad, and little bit of everything for me that I need in emergency at work, like one paracetamol, a strip of paracetamol, maybe some of the acidic tablets that I take, and my lipstick, my eyeliner, mascara, anything that I need for work. I'm just going to make a kit and leave it up over there. So I don't have to carry a load from here every day and take it over there. So in case there's an emergency, I have everything over there, even if I forget sometimes. And that was all that I bought. If you want, I'll put a picture up of my receipt to prove that everything was for just £1, not more than that. So if you guys are around and under a particular budget, please visit the stores. They are very affordable and very products are not bad. They're very good products. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my little bit. Okay, I'm tempted now. When you were small, right, we used to do this. You remember? I don't know whether you guys have done it. And we used to, put it on our skin like that and press the skin so that the marks would come like this for us. I used to do that a lot. Let me try. Yep, this is much better. I hope you guys will enjoy my vlog. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my vlog, and I hope you'll have subscribed to my channel. If you'll have not, please do subscribe, like and share my videos. Comment down below. Also let me know what else can I bring for y'all. What else can I show y'all? Any challenges or anything. Probably on a Saturday. So you will get to see the video on a Sunday or Saturday night. I will be coming up with one more video with Eldon, a couple challenge. Stay tuned and please subscribe for all the updates. Take care, guys. Bye bye.